We have already learned about Heron's formula, and we know Heron's formula is used to find out area of a triangle. We have also seen application of Heron's formula in finding out area of quadrilateral. Today in this video we will solve this problem. A kite is in the shape of a square with diagonal 32 cm and an isosceles triangle of base 8 cm and side 6 cm. Each is to be made of 3 different shades as shown in the figure. How much paper of each shade has been used in it? You can see a square. Diagonal of the square is given as 32 cm. Again you can see an isosceles triangle at the bottom. Base of the isosceles triangle is given as 8, and we know in an isosceles triangle 2 sides will be equal. So these 2 sides are 6 cm. Now we need to find how much paper of each shade has been used to prepare this kite. So let ABCD be the square and BD and AC are the diagonals of the square. Now we need to find out area of the triangle ABD as well as area of the triangle BCD and area of the small triangle CEF. So first I'll write area of triangle ABD. It is equal to half into base into height. We know area of the triangle can be found out using the formula half base into height. So here base is BD and height is AO. Same way I can write area of triangle BDC is equal to half into base into height. So here base is same as BD and height is OC. But we don't know the base or the height here, and they have not given side also. So how will you do this problem? So now I can write area of the square ABCD, the full square ABCD equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BDC, right? When you add these two triangles, we will get the square ABCD. So why I am using this? Because they have not given sides of the triangle or base of the triangle or height of the triangle. Only data they have given is diagonal of the square. So I have to include that data to solve this problem. Area of triangle ABD is half BD into AO. Again area of triangle BDC is half BD into OC. We can take half BD common. So what is left out? OA or plus OC. OA plus OC is AC. So half BD into AC. We know that in a square the diagonals are of equal length. So I can write this AC as BD only, and the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. So BD into BD is BD square, and already they have given the measurement of BD as 32. So 32 the whole square. When you simplify this, we have 512 centimeter square. So this 512 is the area of the square. We need to find out area of 3 different shades. We need to find out area of this first portion, second portion and third portion. Area of full square is 512. So area of pink shade will be 512 divided by 2. Same way, area of the orange shade will be 512 divided by 2. So area of shade 1 and shade 2, that is pink and orange color, that is area of those two triangles will be equal. So I am going to divide by 2, which is equal to 512 divided by 2, 256 centimeter square. Now we will find out area of the small triangle which is at the bottom of the kite. So base is given as 8 and two sides is given as 6 centimeter. We will apply Heron's formula. So area equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here S is semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C divided by 2, which is equal to 6 plus 6 plus 8 divided by 2. 20 divided by 2 is 10 centimeter. Now we will apply in the formula 10 into 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 8. So which is equal to square root of 10 into 4 into 4 into 2. We can take outside 1 4 and 1 2 and root 5, which is equal to 8 root 5 centimeter square. And value of root 5 is 2.24. When you simplify this, you have 17.92 centimeter square. So area of shade 1 and shade 2 is 256 centimeter square and area of shade part 3 is 17.92 centimeter square. Now the second question is, a floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles which are triangular. The sides of triangle being 9 cm, 28 cm and 35 cm. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paisa per centimeter square. So this is the floral design they have given. So the sides of the triangle are 28, this side is 9, this side is 28 and this side they have given as 35 centimeter. So we will find out area of one triangle, then we will multiply with 16 because 16 tiles are there which are of triangular shape, and then we will multiply with 50 paisa to get the cost of polishing the tiles. So area of one triangle by Heron's formula, first we will write root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. We will find out the semi-perimeter A plus B plus C divided by 2, which is equal to 9 plus 28 plus 35 divided by 2, which is equal to 72 divided by 2. Semi-perimeter is 36 centimeter. Now we will substitute in the formula 36 into 36 minus 9 into 36 minus 28 into 36 minus 35. Subtract square root of 36 into 27 into 36 minus 28 is 8 into 1. When you simplify this, you will have 36 root 6 centimeter square. We need to find out the value of root 6. Value of root 6 is 2.45 approximately. So when you multiply 88.2 centimeter square, you can find out value of root 6 by long division method. Now area of one tile is given as, we got as 88.2. So area of 16 tiles will be 88.2 into 16, which is equal to 1411.2 centimeters square. Again, they have given cost of polishing one tile. They have given cost of polishing one tile per centimeter square. They have given as 50 paise. That means it is half rupees. So cost of polishing 16 tiles, each of area 16 tiles, and area is each of area 88.2 centimeters square will be, you need to multiply half into, already we have done 88.2 into 16, so half into this 1411.2 equal to 705 rupees 60 paise. So cost of polishing the tiles is 705.60. So we need to find out area of the one tile, we need to find out. After that we need to find out area of 16 tiles, then multiply with the cost. So thank you for watching my video.